Namaste friends, welcome to Agri Analyze. This video is about one sample t-test analysis using Agri Analyze platform. So I have written one blog in which I have explained one sample t-test in detail along with the solved example. So the problem statement is something like this. A random sample of 10 boys had the IQs. So we are given IQ value of the 10 boys and we need to test whether the population from which the sample is drawn has the IQ of 100. So this question needs to be answered. Also, we need to find the reasonable range in which most of the IQ values of the population of the boys lie. And the alpha value given here is 0.05, that is 5% level of significance. So now let's see how to perform one sample t-test using Agri Analyze. So arrange the data, IQ data in the CSV file. I have written the data like this. First I have written IQ and then I have written the 10 data points and then I just save them in a CSV file format. Now let's jump to the website directly. So the home page of website will look like this. If you are a first time user, you need to register by logging through your email ID and mobile number. Click on this analytical tool, then select hypothesis testing and then go in one sample t-test. So in one sample t-test, the page will look something like this. There is a video of how to use the platform for one sample t-test here. You can get your input file from here and your output report also, sample output report and methodology, that is what is going on behind the computation, and there's some theory about the one sample t-test. Let's quickly select the file that I have shown to you, the CSV file. So click on this choose file and then select the file. Click on open. Now here we need to mention the level of significance. So level of significance, in our question we were asked 5% level. So I will be writing 5%. So 5 divided by 100, that is 0.05. If you have 1% level of significance, you can write here 0.01. Now mean value to be tested. So in question, if we look properly, we need to test whether the population mean IQ is 100 or not. So I will write 100. Click on this submit. Currently it's free to use, but after that there will be some nominal charges. Currently our website is under development. Click on this submit and then click on this download option. So just select the location and save it. So let's open the output file. So it's a very nice report. First thing that I am getting is descriptive statistics of data. So I'm getting the mean. So mean IQ is 97.2. Then I'm getting median, variance, standard deviation, CV, skewness, kurtosis, followed by histogram of the data. Then I get the box plot of the data, of the IQ data. Then we all know that there is assumption of normality. Here the assumption is something like this, that the population from which the sample has been drawn is normally distributed. So we need to check the normality of the data. So here it is very well written. Null hypothesis is mentioned, alternative hypothesis is mentioned. Then Shapiro-Wilk test is used. So Shapiro-Wilk statistic value is given along with the p-value. And in last, interpretation is also written by itself on the basis of the alpha value and the p-value. So here our p-value of the Sapir-Whorf test is 0.97, our alpha value is 0.05. So results were non-significant as p-value was greater than alpha value, and we accept the null hypothesis. And what is null hypothesis? That the data is normally distributed. So once we bypass this assumption checking, then we get the result of the t-test. So for t-test also, the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are mentioned here. So the null hypothesis is that the population mean is equal to 100, that is population IQ is 100, and the alternative is population IQ is not equal to 100. Then I'm getting the hypothetical mean that I have entered, that is 100 value. Then degree of freedom is 9 here, followed by t value, standard error, the most important thing is that is p value, then lower limit, upper limit, and sample mean. So the interpretation on the basis of p value is given here. Our p value is greater than 0.05, so results are non-significant and we accept the null hypothesis. Now what is null hypothesis? That the population mean IQ is 100, so we accept that thing. Also in question we were asked, if we look again, the second thing was the range in which most of the IQ will lie. So this is also given here. The lower limit is for the boys is 86.98 and the upper limit is 107.41. So this is all about one sample t-test analysis along with the interpretation and assumption testing in just 3 clicks using Agri Analyze. The link of the blog, the input file and the output file as well as the website is given in the description box. And also I would like to add one thing, that while performing analysis, if you get stuck somewhere, then just click on this need help button. We would be very happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.